Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Nissan Rogue SL. This one is red. Underneath the hood is a 2.5 four-cylinder with 170 horsepower. Four wheels, we've got 18-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black leather interior. Panorama sunroof. And run back, Rogue SL all-wheel drive badging, power liftgate, clean set of all-season floor mats, fold down rear seats, keyless entry, memory seats, power windows, carbon pattern trim, steering wheel controls and Bluetooth capabilities, a push start ignition, media display, navigation, a surround view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, auxiliary and USB ports, heated seats, automatic transmission. This Nissan Rogue has 28,500 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Nissan Rogue SL, check out feldmanimports.com.